Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use your GoPro as a webcam in MS Teams. So let's begin the video. In order to use your GoPro as a webcam with Microsoft Teams, you're going to need the following things. First of all, your GoPro. Here I have the Hero 10 Black. Secondly, a cable to connect your GoPro with your machine, and lastly your machine which has an active internet connection. Here I have a Windows machine, but the process is same if you are on Mac. So first of all, what you're going to do is to actually power on your GoPro. Once it has powered on the other side you will see this latch. You're going to pull it downward and then backward. So we're not going to pull the battery, but you will see a little type C port over here. So what we are going to do is to actually connect one end of the cable with our machine, and the other end will be connected to our GoPro, and that's it. So now we're going to actually install a software on our Windows or Mac machine that will allow us to use our GoPro as a webcam and later as a webcam in MS Teams. So let's move towards our Windows machine, and we're not going to power it off yet. Now you would see that if you have not installed the software on your machine, your GoPro will show something like this, which is USB connected. It will not basically act as a webcam. So for that reason we are downloading and installing a software which is officially provided by GoPro. On your laptop you're going to open any browser and you're going to open this website. Website link will be in the video description. Here you can see GoPro webcam information and troubleshooting. So if you're on a Mac, you're going to click on download for Mac, but if you're on a Windows like me, we're going to click on download and get started for PC. So if you have a GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, you need to first make sure that it is updated to the latest firmware. If you don't know how you can update the firmware of your GoPro, a box will appear right here and the link will also be in the video description. So that is very important that your GoPro is updated to the latest firmware. Secondly, we are going to download and install the GoPro webcam application, and after that we can use our GoPro as a webcam. So if in order to download the desktop utility, we are going to click here, click on download. Once the setup has been downloaded, right click on it and we are going to click on open. Here is the setup utility. Next, agree to the terms and conditions after reading them. Next, install. So it's going to install the GoPro webcam utility. Finish. So it says that we need to restart our system. After that it can work, so I'm just going to restart my machine. Once your machine has restarted, you're going to click on the Windows icon, GoPro. You will see the GoPro webcam app. Just click on it and it will open it. Now on the lower right, click on this icon. You will see this little GoPro webcam icon. Now currently you can see my GoPro is showing USB connected. If I click on this icon, click on preview, it will actually shift from USB connection to a webcam. So you can see a live preview here as well as on the GoPro. And if I again go to the GoPro webcam, go to lens mode, I can actually change it from narrow, wide, super wide depending on what lens modes your GoPro supports. So now in order to use GoPro as a webcam in MS Teams, let me just join a Teams meeting. Here I have joined a MS Teams meeting and currently it is using my laptop's webcam, and you can see its quality is not very good. So this is the use case where you might want to use your GoPro as a webcam, as it can provide better quality if you have a bad camera like mine or no camera at all. So from here just go to the camera drop down. From here we're going to see the option GoPro webcam. Just select it and it will actually use your GoPro as a webcam, as you can see right here. Now I am using my GoPro as a webcam in MS Teams. Sometimes it might not detect it, so restart your machine, power off and on your GoPro and it should work. So yeah guys, this is how you can use your GoPro as a webcam in MS Teams. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe,